Hello everyone, this is Tally with the education team here at the Journey Museum and Learning Center. Just want to thank you all for visiting our page. In this little fun, easy, quick science experiment, we are going to make some rice dance. So that is dancing rice for you. Cute little science experiment. It could be one of the very first experiments that you can do with the young kids, kind of introduce them into science. And who would have thought baking soda and vinegar would be so fun? Thank you once again for visiting our education page here at the Journey Museum and Learning Center.